Hi guys, I am here today in this video with my boyfriend. Oh, you're supposed to say your name.
Oh.
And I have decided to do a couple's costume. Yeah. We're only gonna do 4 because it's kind of hard. Like, I was setting up for this video and it literally took forever just to find the freaking clothes. Even though it's just like clothes, but hope you guys enjoy the costumes that we have for you guys. And if you'd like to see our actual Halloween costume, you can follow me at shop.lavier on Instagram. You guys check that out. Let's get into the video. You guys can see what we have for you. I'm missing the hair and the accessories, but for time's sake, let's just say I look like that.
Roll down.
Look at it. I did this and this. She got that. That's us right there. Okay, ready? Ready? We're gonna pose like this. Come on.
Are you gonna put it there too?
Okay, so my very quick outfit is falling apart, so I don't have anything else and I just literally just taped it. But if you guys sew this onto like a skirt, it would be
oh, yeah.
I'm gonna put my arms here so that you guys are able to see my leggings. They're purple, like the girl. And what it is, yeah. Another thing, she has a green thingamajig and also black hair, but I do not have black hair or bob at the moment, so just imagine it's there. But this is outfit number 2. See you in the next one. Are you gonna roll? Okay.
But what's the? Oh no, he's not old yet, right? So I'm the younger version.
Yes. Yeah, you're the younger version. We are Ellie and
I don't know what's name.
you're Carl. Ellie and Carl Fredrickson from Up. We're the version that is in the zoo where he gives away balloons. And so put your hand up and we're gonna edit balloons right here. No, put it lower because so that it can be like right here. Some balloons are gonna be right here because we don't have actual balloons, but this is our outfit. Basically just cargo shorts because she's wearing shorts. And you need some boots. I'm not gonna show it. Yeah.
That'll be cool.
Imagine him with suspenders.
Or you could just put on.
Yeah. So suspenders, tie, white, blah. And then the balloons. And then the green, this thing in the jig, it's supposed to be purple, but it's fine. And a hat. So that is all for this video. I hope you enjoyed these 4 costumes. They're mostly based on clothing that you already have, but you saw our little DIYs. Hopefully this helps out anybody who's looking for a costume or a couple's costume, but you don't want to be basic. It's a little bit basic, but let's just say it's not basic. But I hope you enjoyed these costume ideas, and if you do end up dressing up, let me know. Follow me on Instagram at shop.lavier. If you want to see our actual Halloween costume, you could go ahead and go follow again at shop.lavier. and you can find out what we are for Halloween. Okay, so thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. We'll be coming with more videos, and maybe Jorge will appear. Oh, by the way, I still have this. Ignore that. Okay, see you later.